The entire animated video you are about to see right now is generated using AI. Stay till the end, and I will show you how you can create videos like these in few minutes.
Mary loved knitting, but today she felt nervous because she wanted to make the perfect scarf for the community fair. While working, she noticed her neighbor, Mrs. Johnson, struggling to fix a torn sweater. Instead of focusing on her own project, Mary decided to help Mrs. Johnson. Together, they repaired the sweater and knitted a beautiful scarf. At the fair, people admired their work and teamwork. Mary learned that showing kindness and helping others can be more rewarding than individual success.
You see, creating videos like these can cost thousands of dollars, require a fancy animation degree, and involve complicated software. What if I told you anyone can create a Pixar-style animated video by simply typing a text? That's right, no fancy animation degree or complicated software needed. With this new AI technology, your words become stunning videos that businesses crave. It's like Midjourney, but for videos. This AI lets you create unlimited videos for a low one-time price. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to get instant access to Video Express before the deal expires.